Shri Mataji, to all my brothers and sisters Sahjogi around the world. Today, by her grace and inspiration, we are going to talk about Mooladhara Chakra. How to activate and what are the exact location of petals. First of all, we'll discuss what is Mooladhara Chakra. Mooladhara Chakra means the base, the foundation, and it is earth element. Another point, Ganesha, it means who appeared from the earth, it's as own. So this is Mooladhara Chakra means the base, and it is relating to earth. Once it is related to earth, it means it is a part of 5 elements. And 5 elements means Yatha Brahmand Tatha Pind. Brahmand means universe, and Pind means the mini universe, that is our body and void. Once it is there, in that case, whole universe, this mini universe, the mother earth, then Mooladhara Chakra, all are involved. Another point, Mooladhara means here 4 petals are there. Vam, Sham, Sham and Sam. And Shri Mataji has provided all the 4 petals medical terms. It means the Mooladhara becomes a hospital, specialized hospital, and where 4 OPDs, Vam, Sham, Sham and Sam. 4 deities or doctors, Ganesha, Gauri, Mahagauri or Kartikeya. It means Dr. Saini consider this Mooladhara Chakra as hospital also, where specialized treatment of 4 diseases can be treated, because mother has blessed for that. Now let us activate or awake the Mooladhara Chakra and its deities. As we already discussed, universe is involved. That means we may say like this: Om Tamev Shakshat Sri Brahmanda Swamini Shakshat Sri Laghu Brahmanda Swamini Shakshat Sri Prithvi Mata Shakshat Sri Lam Shakshat Sri Bhu Shakshat Sri Mooladhara Chakra Shakshat Sri Ganesh Shakshat Sri Vam Namo Namah. The exact location of Ganesha, first petal is here on left hip bone, touching the ground. It is called sit bone also. So, and here deity is Ganesha, and OPD, Dr. Saini call it OPD, 4 OPDs. First OPD, where Shri Mataji has allotted inferior hemorrhoidal problems can be solved here. That means piles, whether it is bleeding, dry, or there are some nodes on around the anus, and there may be some cracks, that is called fissure. And what it is? Actually rectum, anus and last part of colon. All these things are involved in it. So any problem relating to this, we can knock the door of first OPD, enter in it, then only doctor is available in the form of Sri Ganesha, and will request him, and he is going to solve our problem. Let us repeat it again. How to activate Mooladhara Chakra? As per Dr. Saini, again we repeat, it is a hospital. 4 OPDs are there, 4 petals are there, 4 deities are there, 4 doctors are there. Now, in this small video, we are going to discuss about first petal only, where deity is Ganesha. So let us again revise what we did. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Brahmanda Swamini Sakshat Sri Laghu Brahmanda Swamini Sakshat Sri Prithvi Mata Sakshat Sri Lam Sakshat Sri Bhur Sakshat Bij Mantras Sri Mooladhara Chakra Sakshat Sri Ganesha Sakshat left hip bone Sri Vam Namo Nama. Sri Mataji has provided this petal inferior hemorrhoidal. That means all problems relating to rectum, anus and last part of colon can be treated here. And disease may be like this: piles, it is bleeding or not, there may be some nodes around the anus, and itching may be there, pain will be there, burning sensation will be there, and so many other things. So we can knock the door of first OPD, where Dr. Ganesha or deity Ganesha is there, and he is capable, he is authorized by Sri Mataji to treat all such problems. Jai Sri Mataji. Thank you very much.